Hello sir, I'm Lani Delgaco, BS Fisheries 2. This is my video presentation for Taxonomic Nomenclature Part 2. This is the first species, the crayfish. So, the crayfish is common name, crayfish, alternate common name, ulang, kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Arthropoda, subphylum, Crustacea, class Malacostraca, order Decapoda, suborder Plesiocyemata, infraorder Astacidae, superfamily Astacoidae, families Astacoidae, Astacidae, Cambaridae, and Parasticidae. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Decapoda. Modern Latin from deca is tent, Greek pors, pod, foot, astacus. From the Greek astacus meaning lobster or crayfish. Genus Astacus, types of genus of the family Astacidae, old curled chosen. Crayfish, the name crayfish goes from the old French word escreuse, modern French of early cleanris. The word has been modified, the crayfish, by association with fish. The largely American variant, crowfish, is similarly derived. The second species is haddock. Haddock, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Antinopterygii, order Gadiformes, family Gadidae, genus Melanogramus, and species. Translate is the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Gadiformes, New Latin from Gadus plus iformes, Gadidae. Late 19th century from modern Latin Gadidae, from Gadus idae. Genus Melanogramus. Greek melano, melanos meaning black or dark. Grammas, gramma, that which is the drawn stroke of a pen, aligned, likely referring to the presence of the dark lateral line. Family of this species is Gadidae. Genus Melanogramus, species Aglephinus. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? Melanogramus means black line, a reference to the black lateral line of this species, Gadidae, are the family of marine fish, include the order of Gadiformes. The next is flounder. This is flounder. Common name, flounder, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Pleiorecniformes, family Paralichidae, genus Paralitis, species P. dentatus. Translate if possible of the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Order Pleiorectiformes. From the Greek word Pleiora meaning similar, ripe, plus Greek rectus meaning the swim, Latin from meaning shape, Paralitis, parallel fish. Family name of this species Paralichidae, genus Paralichiidae, species P. dentatus. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? Species P. dentatus. P. dentatus may refer to Paralitis dentatus. Family Paralichidae refers to large tooth flounders or sand flounders. Genus Paralitis refers to the species of the large tooth flounders. The next species is hake. Common name hake, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, orders Gadiformes, family Merlucidae, genus Merlucius, species M. capensis. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Merlicius. New Latin from medical Latin, Merlicius hake, from medieval Latin, Meraula, sea fish or blackbird. Family of this species, Merlucidae. Genus, Merluccius. Species, M. capensis. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? The origin of the name Merluccius came from the Latin name of Marlutic and was described by Berlon, who dominated the fish. The next species is halibut. Halibut is a common name halibut, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Pleonectiformes, family Pleurocnectidae, genus Hippoglossus, species Hippoglossus stenolepis. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Pleurocnectiformes, from the Greek pleura, similar, rib, side, Greek rectus, to swim, Latin from shape, Latin forma shape. Pleuroctidae, New Latin from Pleuroctes, type of genus. Hippoglossus, New Latin from lip, glossus, from the Greek glum, tongue. The next species is mullet, or tinatawag po dito sa amin na banak. So, common name, mullet, domain Eukaryota, phylum Chordata, kingdom Animalia, class Actinopterygii, superorder Acanthinopterygii, clade Percomorpha, order Mugilliformes, family Mugillidae. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or genus name Tridae. Family name of this species, Mugillidae. For any one of the above, can you guess what this name chosen? Early 20th century. Earliest use found in from scientific Latin Mugillidae. Family name from Mugil. The next species is Pompano. Pompano, common name, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Caragiformes, genus Trachinitus. The next species is yellow perch. Common name, yellow perch, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Perciformes, family Percidae, genus Perca, species P. flavescens. Translate if the possible the following. Flavenses, from the Latin flos, meaning yellow. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Percidae, New Latin Perca, its meaning the type of genus Idae. Perciformes, New Latin from Perca, perch, New Latin Iformes, family name of this species is Percidae. Genus Perca, species P. flavescens. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? Perch is a common spiny, finned freshwater fish or perchiform, Old French perchi from Latin perca or punch. From the Greek perk, a perch from perknos, it means spotted, having the dark spots. The next species is chain pickerel. Common name, chain pickerel, domain Eukaryota, class Actinopterygii, order Essiformes, family Esocidae, genus Esox, species E. Esox higher. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Latin Esox or Esox is a species of freshwater fish, probably pike, perhaps from the Latin edere, meaning is to eat. Seasox for voravius. Family name of the species is Isocidae. Genus Esox, species Esox higher. For any one of the above, can you guess what the name chosen? Esocidae is a New Latin from Esox or Esox. Type of genus Placidae, family of elongated various freshwater fish. The next species is rainbow trout. The common name, rainbow trout, family Salmonidae, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Salmoniformes, family Salmonidae, genus Oncorncinus, species of Micys. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. The term salmon came from the Latin salmon, which is the term right have originated from salin, meaning tulip. Ayan. And the name of the genus is derived from the Greek oikos, meaning lump bed, rhynchus, meaning snout, in reference to the hawk jaws of males in the mating season. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? The term salmon, from the Latin salmon, which is originated from saler, meaning is to lip, and oikos in oncorncinus, meaning lumped, or lentkos, meaning snout. The next species is pollock. Common name, pollock. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Gadiformes. Family, Gadidae. Genus, Polacius. Hilson, 1832. Translate if the possible following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Gadiformes, New Latin from gadus. Gadidae, late 19th century, from modern Latin Gadidae, from gadus. For any one of the above, can you guess what the name chosen? Gadidae are the family of marine fish included in the order Gadiformes. The next species is scorpion fish. And common name, scorpion fish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Scorpaniformes. Suborder, Scorpaenidae. Family, Scorpaenidae. A. Ratio, 1826. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Greek Scorpiana, Scorpion, 1906. It is the diminutive of Greek scorpions or scorpion. Latin forma, meaning shape. In Scorpaenidae, Latin Scorpena, meaning a kind of fin. For any one of the above, can you guess what the name chosen? For example, the Latin from Scorpiana type of genus, Placidae. So, when combined, it is the Scorpionidae, as well as the Scorpioniformes from Scorpiana itiforme. The next species is sea throat. Common name, sea throat. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Salmoniformes. Family, Salmonidae. Genus, Salmo. Species, Estruta linnaeus, 1758. From St. Morpha Truta. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. The term salmon comes from the Latin salmo, which in turn might have originated from salir, meaning is to lump. Family name of this species is Salmonidae. Genus, Salmo. Species, Struta linnaeus, 1758. For any one of the above, can you guess why this name chosen? Salmotruta was being chosen as the name of species of sea throat because Linnaeus also described two other brown throat species in 1758. The next species is American shad. Common name, American shad. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Order, Coelupiformes. Family, Chupidae. Subfamily, Alocinae. Genus, Aloha. Subgenus, A. Alisa. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. In Chipiformes, Latin chipe, meaning sardine tooth. Forma, meaning shape. In Chipidae, from Latin chipe, meaning shoal river fish. And Alusa, from Latin alausa, meaning a fish caught by Asonins. Family name of the species is Clupidae. Genus Alosa. For any one of the above, can you guess what this name chosen? In Chipiforms, Chipertiforms, in Clupidae from Latin Chupea, meaning small river fish. The next species is whitefish. Common name, whitefish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Salmoniforms. Family, Salmonidae. Translate, if the possible, the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. The term salmon comes from the Latin salmo, which is the turn right have originated from salir, meaning the lip. Family name of this species, Salmonidae. For any one of the above, can you guess why this name chosen? The term salmon comes from the Latin salmo, which in turn right have originated from salir, meaning is to lip. Salmonidae, New Latin from salmon or salmo, salmon form, Ora, Greek rectus, fish Latin forma. The next species is herring. This is herring fish. Common name, herring. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Chupeiforms. Family, Chupecidae. Genus, Clupei. Species, Clupei herringus. Translate, if possible, the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. If the Clupeiforms form from Latin Clupea means sardine. Latin forma means shape or look. Family name of this species is Clupidae. Salmoniforms or salmon. The next species is sable fish. This is the sable fish. Common name, sable fish. Domain, Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Scorpioniforms. Family, Autroplomadae. Genus, Anoploma iris 1859. Species, Anoploma fimbria. Translate, if the possible, the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Greek scorpion or scorpion. It is the diminutive of Greek scorpius. Scorpion Latin forma meaning shape or Anoploma iris, which accepted the genus name of species because of William Orville Innes. Of family name of this species is Anoplomaticidae. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? In Scorpioniforms from the Latin Scorpiona, iforms, and William Orville Innes in the reason why the genus name Anoploma iris 1859 was accepted. The next species is swordfish. This is the swordfish. And common name, swordfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Isithioporiforms. Family, Epidae or Swainson, 1839. Genus, Species, Linnaeus, 1758. Species, Glacius. Translate, if the possible, following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Scipidae is a New Latin from Latin swordfish, from Greek sipos or sword. Family name of species Scipidae, Swainson 1839. For any of the following, can you guess why this name chosen? Scipidae is a Latin word of swordfish from Greek sword sipos, also known as Scipias. The next species is walleye. This is the species fish walleye. Common name, walleye. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Perciformes. Family, Percidae. Genus Sander. Species Esnutrius. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Percidae is the New Latin Perca, the type genus Placidae. Perciformes, New Latin from Perca, perch, or New Latin, earthworms. Family name of this species, Percidae. Genus Sander. Species Sanders latanus. For any one of the above, can you guess why this name chosen? Perch is a commonly spiny freshwater fish. Perch from Old French perch, from the Latin perca, perch from the Greek perc or percos, spotted, having the dark spots. The next species is wickfish. So this is the species of fish, wickfish. The common name, wickfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Perciformes. Family, Cyaenidae. Genus, Cynosuchus. Species, C. regalis. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Perciformes is a New Latin perca, the type of genus Ephorms. Cynosuchus is a New Latin from ain't or shown, modification of Greek Cyaena, a sea fish. Cyaenidae in New Latin Cyaena. Type of genus Idae. Family name of this species, Cyaenidae. Genus Cynosuchus. Species C. regalis. For any one of the above, can you guess why the name chosen? Regali derived from the oblique stem of wreck or it means king, plus alias, adjective forming of the villia finals of suffix. The next species is big-mouth buffalo. This is the big-mouth buffalo. Common name, big-mouth buffalo. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Simianiformes. Family, Canthostomidae. Genus, Ichthus. Species is Cyprinellus. Genus, Ichthylus. Species B. Cyprinellus. Translate if possible of the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Cypriniformes from Greek Ipeiros, meaning goldfish, plus Latin forma, meaning its shape. Caustomidae is a New Latin from Castromos, type of genus Placidae. New Latin from ancient Greek. Kata means is down. Stoma means a mouth. Ichthybus is New Latin irregular form ichi or Greek boisut. Cow, also a kind of fish. Family name of this species is Catostomida.
Higher meaning, back or family name of this species.
The next species is smallmouth buffalo. So this is the smallmouth buffalo. Yes, this is the smallmouth buffalo. So common name, smallmouth buffalo. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Actinopterygii. Order, Cypriniformes. Family, Catastoseridae. Genus, Ichthybus. Species, Ichthybus. Translate if the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Cypriniformes from Greek Kyprinos, meaning goldfish, Latin, forma meaning shape, and Castomidae is a New Latin from Catostomus, type of genus. New Latin from ancient Greek, kata means down. Stoma means mouth. So, Ichthybus is New Latin irregular from ichi plus Greek bos of io. Also a kind of fish. Family name of this species is Tastomidae. For any one of these above, can you guess why this name chosen? The word Ichthybus is a Greek for ball fish and Cyprinellus is Latin Mercury small cap. The next species is bluefish. This is the bluefish. Yes. Common name, bluefish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Perciformes. Family, Pomatamidae. Olgiel 1833, genus Pomatonis, Lapicidae 1803. Next, translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Versiforms is a new Latin perca, the type of genus. Iforms, the Methodae is a new Latin from Greek pomatus. Type of genus Placidae. Formatus is a new Latin for Greek formatus mus. Type of genus Placidae. Formatus is a new Latin from Greek format. Forma lead plus tomos cutting is from temnun to cut, from the cut appearance of the opercle. So the next species is the butterfish. So this is the butterfish. As you can see, this is the butterfish. Yes. Common name, butterfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Scombriformes. Family, Storm. Genus, Perprilus. Species, P. triacanthus. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Greek or Latin roots. In Scombriformes, from Latin scomber, meaning mercurial lip. In Stromatidae, it is a new Latin from Greek stomatus, bed covering a fish mercle with patchwork colors from stroma bed, coming Placidae. Family name of species is Stromaticidae, genus Perpils, species P. triacanthus. For any one of the above, can you Disostitious, species D. elognoids. For the next species is the blue and gold snapper. So this is the blue gold snapper, and the common name blue and gold snapper. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Perciformes. Family, Lucidae. Genus, Lucanes. Species, L. viridis. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Lucianidae is a genus in Latin, Placidae. New Latin, probably from Malay or dialect of Lujang, meaning viridis, is Latin word meaning it's green. Family name of this species is Lucinidae. The next species is goldfish. This is the goldfish. Common name, goldfish. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Cypriniformes. Family, Cyprinidae. Genus, Carassius. Species, C. aratus. Translate is the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. From the Greek, Crypinos, meaning goldfish. Latin forma, meaning its shape. Cyprinid is from the Greek cypronos or carp. Ide, from the word coracins, is Latin of caras. A common name of these fishes is Duracia, and aratus, meaning gilded. Arautus comes from the Latin root and aurat, meaning gold or golden. The next species is the regal tongue. This is a fish, regal tongue. Yan. Common name, regal tongue. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Osteichthyes. Order, Paraformes. Family, Acanthuridae. Genus, Acanthurus corylus. Species. Translate if the possible following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. From the New Latin, from Ancient Greek, acanthus. New Latin, from crustel, from aura, meaning tail. New Latin, from Ancient Greek, acanthus, or it means thorn. New Latin, urus, from Ancient Greek, olympia. And curriculus is New Latin, literally dark blue. From family name of this species, Acanthuridae. Genus species is Acanthurus. The next species is the red lion. So this is the species of fish, red lion. So common name, red lion. Domain Eukaryota. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Scorpionformes. Family Scorpionidae. Genus Pterios. Species Pilotitans. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Greek Scorpiano or Scorpion, it is the diminutive of Greek scorpion plus Latin form meaning the shape. And Scorpionidae is the Latin word Scorpiana or Idae from Pteroius, New Latin, probably from Greek Pteroiusis, tethered wing from Pterion, feather, wing. For any one of the above, can you guess why this name chosen? The next species is the discus. So this is the fish discus. So common name discus, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Cichliformes, family Cichlidae, tribe Heroni, genus Sympysodon, Haeckel 1840, Echilidae, a new species of Latin from waterfall is rapids. Echilidae is a new Latin from Chila, type of genus, from the Greek kidli, thrush, also a kind of Rhases, Glacidae. Family name of this species is Cichlidae. The next species is the clownfish. This is clownfish. Common name, clownfish, domain Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Perciformes, family Pomacentridae, genus Amphiprion, species Amphiprion percula. Translate the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Origin, head length, century. From scientific Latin Formacentrus, genus name id after scientific Latin Pomacentridae. Family name Pomacentridae is a new Latin from Pomacentrus, type of genus. From Greek pomat o pomalit, row as a centrum sharp point, idae akin sa scarp, SKR, pat he protects. Family name of this species is Pomacentridae. Common name Flaven angelfish, domain Eukaryota. The next species is flame angelfish. So this is the flame angelfish. Common name flame angelfish, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Perciformes, family Pomacanthridae, genus Centropine, species Silurialus. The next species is the Moorish idol. So this is the fish Moorish idol. Common name Moorish idol, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Actinopterygii, order Perciformes, family Sandidae, genus Sanchus, species Cornutus. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Sanclidae is a new Latin from Sanculus, type of genus Placidae. Sanculus is a new Latin from Greek plankton sincle. The word scorn is a new Fortune is a Latin is horn or anything shaped like or resembling a horn. Family name of this species is Sanclidae. The next species is the Banggai cardinal fish. So this is the Banggai cardinal fish. Common name Banggai cardinal fish, domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Calliomyiniformes, family Callionidae, genus Cincinopus, species Plenidus. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Callionidae is a new Latin from Callioni, Omes, type of genus, from Greek Callionimus, Stangiser, from Kali is Oni, Mos from Onima or Onimo name, Placidae, from name of the species Callionymidae, genus Cincinopus, species is S. Plemendidus.
Also,
The next
a kind of
species
fish.
is the marine mandarin fish. So this is the mandarin fish. This is the mandarin fish. Alternate common name is mandarin dragaret. Domain Eukaryota. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Calliumiformes. Family Callionidae. Genus Syncinopus. Species Syncinopus splendidus. Translate if the possible following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Callionidae is a new Latin from Callioni, omes, type of genus, from Greek Callionimus, strangazer, from Kali, Oni, mos, from Onima or Onimo name, Idae, from family name of the species. Callionidae, genus is Syncinopus, species is Splendidus. This is the frogfish. This is the frogfish. So, common name, frogfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Lopilformes. So, order, Antemorodidae. Family, suborder, Antemorodidae. Family, Anteridae. Of Gill, 1863. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. In Anclomonidae and Antunaridae, Latin, antenna, antemna meaning sensory organ. The next species is the fangtooth. This is the fish fangtooth. Fangtooth, common name, taxonomic classification, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Acepteridae, order Versiformes, family Anoplogastridae, T. Angel, 1893, genus Anoplogaster, Garter, 1859. The next species is the yellowhead jawfish. So this is the yellowhead jawfish. Common name, yellowhead jawfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Class, Actinopterygii. Family, Pistoniatidae. Genus, Opistognathus. Species, Auriforons. The next species is the betta fish. This is the fish betta fish. And this is the betta fish. Common name, betta fish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order is Anabartiformes. Family, Osporonidae. Subfamily, Macropolucine. Genus, Betta, Bleecker, 1850. Betta is a new Latin from Malay. Betta settled of comfortable, to feel at home, and persistent, to get well. The next species is the ram cichlid. This is the fish ram cichlid. Common name, ram cichlid. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Cichliformes. Family, Cichlidae. Genus, Mycophagus. Species, M. ramirezi. Translate if possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Cichlidae is a new Latin from cichla, type of genus from Greek cichel thrush, also kind of Norus and Idae, akin to Greek Chelidon swallow. The next species is the blobfish. This is the blobfish. Common name, blobfish. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Orders, Scorpeniformes. Family, Phycroluthidae. Genus, Phycrolutes. Species, Phycrolutes mercidus. Translate if the possible following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Psycholotus from classical Latin psychrolites, batter in the cold water foam, ancient to bat in cold water. The next species is the Sinarapan or Tabios. This is the fish Sinarapan or Tabios. This is fish. Its common name Sinarapan or Tabios. Family name of Oxydercidae. Kingdom Animalia. Class Actinopterygii. Order Gobliformes. Genus Nistichitis. Species Emlusonesis. Phylum Chordata. Domain Eukaryota. Family name of this species is Oxodercidae. Next species is the yellow backfish. So this is the yellow backfish. So common name yellow backfish. Family Ostracidae. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Tetradomentiformes. Genus Ostracion. Species Ocovicius. Family name of the species is Ostracidae. The next species is the mosquito fish. This is a mosquito fish. Yeah. Most common name mosquito fish. Family Poecilidae. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Cypronodontiformes. Domain Eukaryota. Genus G. Aphions. Family name of this species is Poecilidae. The next species is the pomfret. So this is the fish pomfret. Yes. Common name pomfret. Family Bramidae or Love 1836. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Perciformes. Domain Eukaryota. Family of the species is Bramidae. The next species is northern pike. Ayan. Common name, northern pike. Kingdom Animalia. Domain Eukaryota. Phylum Chordata. Class Actinopterygii. Order Esocidae. Genus Illusius. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Latin Esox or Esox, a species of freshwater fish. Probably pike, perhaps from the Latin edere, or it means to eat. Esoc for Veravius. Family name of this species. Esocidae. Genus Esoc. Species Illusius. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? Esocidae, New Latin from Esox, type of genus Idae. A family of elytrated varivius freshwater species. The next species is jack smelt. So, common name, jack silverside. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Pteriniformes. Family, Aterynopsidae. Subfamily, Anteropsidae. Tribe, Asterinopsinae. Genus, Anterinopsis. Species, A. californiensis. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Anteriniformes. From the Greek asterin. A kind of smelt and Latin for a measuring shape. Family name of this species. Antenopsidae. Genus Anterinopsis. Species A. californiensis. For any one of the above, can you guess why this name chosen? Anterinops. Greek anterina, the Greek name for the upper lane. Greek ops meaning appearance. The next species is northern pike. Ayan. Common name, northern pike. Kingdom, Animalia. Domain, Eukaryota. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Actinopterygii. Order, Esocidae. Genus, Illusius. Translate if the possible the following. Look up the Latin or Greek roots. Latin, Esox or Esox, a species of freshwater fish. Probably pike, perhaps from the Latin edere, or it means to eat. Esoc for Veravius. Family name of this species: Esocidae, genus Esoc, species Eolicius. For any one of the above, can you guess what is the name chosen? Esocidae, New Latin from Esox, type of genus Idae. A family of elevated varivius freshwater species.